Critically endangered animals. A closer look at our planet's most vulnerable species. Welcome to the channel, where we explore remarkable stories from the natural world and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. South China tiger. Let's begin with the South China tiger, sadly the most endangered tiger species on the planet. Scientists have declared this tiger functionally extinct in the wild, with no confirmed sightings outside captivity in over 25 years. While wild South China tigers have disappeared, around 100 remain in captivity in China as part of vital breeding programs aimed at preventing their total extinction. Goblin shark. Next, we encounter one of the ocean's strangest creatures, the goblin shark. This elusive shark lives in the depths of the ocean, often at more than 3,280 feet below the surface. Its peculiar appearance comes from its unique jaw, which extends forward when the shark strikes its prey. Unlike most animals, this jaw is connected to the skull only by cartilage, making it an extraordinary species in the deep-sea world. Another rhinoceros species facing a critical struggle is the Javan rhinoceros. Once roaming widely across Southeast Asia, today fewer than 75 individuals remain, confined to Ujung Kulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. Its distinctive single horn and robust, armored body set it apart from other rhino species. Unfortunately, habitat loss and poaching have driven this magnificent species to the brink of extinction. Vaquita. Moving on to the vaquita, the world's smallest cetacean, closely related to dolphins. Found only in Mexico's Gulf of California, the vaquita has reached a critical point, with the International Whaling Commission declaring in 2023 that fewer than 10 individuals may remain. Measuring just 3.9 to 4.9 feet in length, this small marine mammal is in immediate danger of disappearing forever. Cross River gorilla. Lastly, we look at the Cross River gorilla, the rarest and hardest to spot species of gorilla. Found in the forests along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon, just over 300 adult individuals remain in the wild. Despite their low numbers, there's hope for the future of these gorillas. Recent sightings and dedicated conservation efforts are fostering optimism that their population could grow in the coming years. South China tiger. Let's begin with the South China tiger, sadly the most endangered tiger species on the planet. Scientists have declared this tiger functionally extinct in the wild, with no confirmed sightings outside captivity in over 25 years. While wild South China tigers have disappeared, around 100 remain in captivity in China as part of vital breeding programs aimed at preventing their total extinction. Sumatran rhinoceros. Now, let's talk about the Sumatran rhinoceros, also known as the Asian two-horned rhinoceros. This critically endangered species has seen its population decline by 80% over the last 3 decades, mainly due to habitat destruction. Once found throughout Southeast Asia, the Sumatran rhinoceros now exists solely in Indonesia and Malaysia. Remarkably, it's the smallest species of rhinoceros in the world today. Javan rhinoceros. Another rhinoceros species facing a critical struggle is the Javan rhinoceros. Once roaming widely across Southeast Asia, today fewer than 75 individuals remain, confined to Ujung Kulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. Its distinctive single horn and robust, armored body set it apart from other rhino species. Unfortunately, habitat loss and poaching have driven this magnificent species to the brink of extinction. Sumatran rhinoceros. Now, let's talk about the Sumatran rhinoceros, also known as the Asian two-horned rhinoceros. This critically endangered species has seen its population decline by 80% over the last 3 decades, mainly due to habitat destruction. Once found throughout Southeast Asia, the Sumatran rhinoceros now exists solely in Indonesia and Malaysia. Remarkably, it's the smallest species of rhinoceros in the world today. Cross River gorilla. Lastly, we look at the Cross River gorilla, the rarest and hardest to spot species of gorilla. Found in the forests along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon, just over 300 adult individuals remain in the wild. Despite their low numbers, there's hope for the future of these gorillas. Recent sightings and dedicated conservation efforts are fostering optimism that their population could grow in the coming years. Hainan gibbon. Endemic to the island of Hainan in China, the Hainan gibbon is the world's rarest primate, with only about 30 individuals remaining. This small monkey, known for its characteristic song, resides in the tropical rainforests of the Bawangling National Nature Reserve. Its survival is threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, making conservation efforts crucial for its continued existence. Deep beneath the ocean's surface lives one of the most unique and often misunderstood creatures, the blobfish. This curious fish inhabits depths between 1,969 and 3,937 feet below sea level, where immense pressure and dim light prevail. While often labeled the ugliest animal in the world, it's important to note that the blobfish's gelatinous appearance is a result of decompression damage when brought to the surface. In its natural habitat, the blobfish maintains a more typical fish-like form adapted to the high-pressure environment. Pygmy three-toed sloth, endemic to Escudo de Veraguas Island in Panama. The pygmy three-toed sloth is critically endangered, with fewer than 100 individuals remaining. This tiny sloth is known for its slow movement and preference for mangrove forests. Habitat loss and human encroachment are the main threats to its survival, making habitat protection and restoration essential for preventing its extinction. Vaquita. Moving on to the vaquita, the world's smallest cetacean, closely related to dolphins. Found only in Mexico's Gulf of California, the vaquita has reached a critical point, with the International Whaling Commission declaring in 2023 that fewer than 10 individuals may remain. Measuring just 3.9 to 4.9 feet in length, this small marine mammal is in immediate danger of disappearing forever. Philippine crocodile. The Philippine crocodile is considered the most endangered species of crocodile in the world, with fewer than 100 individuals in the wild and very few in captivity. Historically found throughout the Philippine archipelago, it is now restricted to small, fragmented habitats on the islands of Dalapiri, Luzon, and Mindanao. The population has been severely impacted by hunting and habitat destruction, necessitating urgent conservation measures to ensure its survival. Bornean pygmy elephant. Lastly, we spotlight the Bornean pygmy elephant, the smallest subspecies of Asian elephant currently found in the world. These charming elephants are found exclusively on the island of Borneo in the state of Sabah, Malaysia. Known for their adorable appearance and smaller stature, Bornean pygmy elephants face threats from habitat loss and human-elephant conflict. Conservation initiatives are essential to protect their natural habitats and ensure their continued existence. Each of these species is on the verge of extinction, but with continued conservation efforts, there's still a chance to protect them and ensure they thrive once again. From the depths of our oceans to the rainforests and islands across the globe, these animals remind us of the incredible biodiversity that exists on our planet and the urgent need to preserve it. Red wolf. In 1980, the red wolf was declared extinct in the wild, with no individuals remaining in their natural habitat. However, a few years later, the U.S. government reintroduced the species in North Carolina. This reintroduction faced significant challenges, including opposition from local landowners who viewed the wolves as threats to their cattle. Over the years, continued hunting as a form of predator control and habitat alteration have exacerbated their decline. Today, about 15 red wolves live in the wild, with just over 200 kept in captivity, highlighting the ongoing struggle to save this species from extinction. Bornean pygmy elephant. Starting with one of the gentlest animals among elephant species, the Bornean pygmy elephant. These adorable elephants are known for their extraordinarily large ears, which can reach the ground when they are young. Though smaller than other elephants, these gentle giants are critically endangered due to habitat loss on the island of Borneo. Their charming appearance and peaceful demeanor have made them a symbol of conservation efforts in the region. Elephant shrew. Another remarkable rediscovery happened in 2019 when the long-lost elephant shrew was found in Djibouti, Africa, after being considered extinct for over 50 years. This small mammal, known for its trunk-like nose that helps it hunt ants, had been missing from scientific records for decades. The rediscovery of a group of 12 individuals gives hope for the species' recovery. Seola, the Asian unicorn. Next up is one of the most enigmatic animals on the planet, the Seola, also called the Asian unicorn. Discovered only in 1992, the Saola lives in the dense forests of Vietnam and Laos. Although it looks more like a deer, it is genetically closer to cattle. Extremely rare and difficult to spot, the Saola's elusive nature has made it one of the most mysterious animals on Earth. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is one of the largest and most majestic birds of prey in the world. Found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, this raptor boasts a wingspan of up to 6.9 feet and can weigh nearly 20 pounds. Its striking appearance, with a large head, piercing black eyes, and a prominent crest, makes it one of the most recognizable and awe-inspiring eagles. Despite its imposing size, the harpy eagle is now vulnerable due to habitat loss, with conservation efforts needed to protect these impressive birds. Pteranodella rex. Next, we venture into the depths of the Peruvian Amazon, where a new species of leech was discovered, Pteranodella rex. This leech, whose name means tyrant leech king, can grow up to 1.2 inches long and has razor-sharp teeth. Despite its fearsome name, the bites from T. rex are relatively small. Mark Siddall, an expert in invertebrate zoology, highlighted this discovery, which adds to the fascinating diversity of the Amazon rainforest. Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle, the national bird of the Philippines, is critically endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 500 individuals. Renowned for its striking blue eyes and impressive size, this eagle inhabits the rainforests of several Philippine islands. Deforestation and hunting pose significant threats to its survival, making habitat conservation and anti-poaching efforts vital for its preservation. Squidworm Sama. In 2007, researchers exploring the depths of the Celebes Sea in the Pacific Ocean made a remarkable discovery. A 4-inch-long creature that turned out to belong to a new family of annelids, named Tithydodrylus sama, or Squidworm Sama. This deep-sea polychaete was first observed using a remotely operated vehicle, ROV, at a depth of 9,186 feet. The study of this creature, published in 2010, shed new light on the diversity of life in the deep ocean, a habitat that still holds many mysteries. Leolepis ngovantree. In a surprising twist, a popular dish in Vietnamese restaurants turned out to be a previously undiscovered species of lizard. Leolepis ngovantree, an all-female species, reproduces by cloning without the need for males. Fortunately, this species is not at risk of extinction, showcasing the wonders of parthenogenesis, or asexual reproduction, in reptiles. Ely pica. Next up, we have the adorable Ely pica, a small mammal native to the Tian Shan Mountains of China. With fewer than 1,000 individuals remaining, this rare species is one of the least understood mammals in the world. Known for its rounded ears and preference for high-altitude rocky habitats, the Ely pica faces severe threats from climate change, which is shrinking its already limited habitat. Purple frog. Discovered only in 2003, the purple frog is a living fossil believed to have existed for over 100 million years. This elusive amphibian spends most of its life underground, emerging only for a few days each year to breed, which is why it remained undiscovered for so long. Its ancient lineage and unique behavior make it a fascinating subject for researchers. Addax. Finally, let's talk about the addax, one of the most intriguing and endangered antelopes in Africa. Once abundant in the deserts of several African countries, the addax is now mostly confined to a nature reserve in Niger. This resilient antelope, known for its unique adaptations to desert life, is facing the threat of extinction due to poaching and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring the survival of this rare species. Northern hairy-nosed wombat. Australia is home to the critically endangered northern hairy-nosed wombat. There are two species, Latifrons and Crefty, and both are found only in Queensland. These small, burrowing mammals are known for their poor vision and highly developed noses, which they use to locate food at night. Their populations are alarmingly small, and efforts to protect their habitats are essential for their survival. Peacock mantis shrimp. One of the most extraordinary creatures on the planet is the peacock mantis shrimp, native to the Indo-Pacific. This colorful invertebrate is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly powerful. With the ability to punch at speeds of 50 miles per hour, comparable to the acceleration of a .22 caliber bullet, the mantis shrimp delivers one of the fastest and most forceful strikes in the animal kingdom. What's even more fascinating is its vision. The mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the world, capable of detecting 10 times more colors than humans, including infrared and ultraviolet light. This incredible visual system sets it apart from all other creatures. Proboscis monkey. Let's start with the proboscis monkey, an arboreal primate found exclusively in the tropical rainforests of Borneo in the Malaysian archipelago. Male proboscis monkeys are known for their large, broad noses, which serve an important purpose. They amplify the vocalizations that help attract mates and deter rivals. Males can grow up to 27.5 inches in length and weigh over 44 pounds, making them significantly larger than females. This curious species is not only fascinating for its appearance, but also for its unique adaptations to life in the trees. Amur leopard. Lastly, we head to the mountainous regions of Russia and the China border, where the critically endangered Amur leopard, also known as the Siberian leopard, resides. This beautiful cat is distinguished by its thick, furry legs, which help it survive the harsh, cold climate of its habitat. Sadly, with fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild, the Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on the planet, and ongoing conservation efforts are crucial to its survival. Black-footed ferret. Lastly, we explore the inspiring comeback of the black-footed ferret. Once native to the Great Plains of North America, this small carnivore was declared extinct in 1979. However, in 1981, a dog in Wyoming stumbled upon a surviving population, giving conservationists the chance to bring the species back from the brink of extinction. Thanks to dedicated efforts, the black-footed ferret has been successfully reintroduced into the wild multiple times, making it a remarkable conservation success story. Black-footed ferret. Lastly, we explore the inspiring comeback of the black-footed ferret. Once native to the Great Plains of North America, this small carnivore was declared extinct in 1979. However, in 1981, a dog in Wyoming stumbled upon a surviving population, giving conservationists the chance to bring the species back from the brink of extinction. Thanks to dedicated efforts, the black-footed ferret has been successfully reintroduced into the wild multiple times, making it a remarkable conservation success story. Mexican axolotl. The Mexican axolotl, or simply axolotl, is one of the most extraordinary salamanders in the world due to its remarkable ability to retain larval features throughout adulthood. This condition, known as neoteny, allows the axolotl to keep its tadpole-like dorsal fin and feather external gills, even as an adult. Native to the lakes of Mexico, this amphibian is not only famous for its appearance, but also for its potential in regenerative medicine, as it can regenerate entire limbs. Manatee. 010. Let's start with the manatee, a critically endangered marine mammal. These gentle giants can grow up to 9.8 feet long and weigh over 1,100 pounds. Known for their thick, paddle-shaped tails and flippers, manatees have nostrils that close when they submerge underwater. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and human activity threaten their survival, making manatee conservation a priority. Pink handfish. Another pink rarity is the pink handfish, Brachyopsilus dianthus, a species that uses its pectoral fins like hands to walk along the ocean floor. Only 4 specimens of this elusive 4-inch fish have ever been found, all near Tasmania's Hobart Island. Its rarity and peculiar behavior make it one of the most unusual fish species in the world. Melanistic fox. Moving to land, we find the melanistic fox, also known as the black fox. This genetic variation of the red fox is caused by an excess of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin and fur color. With their black or dark brown coats, melanistic foxes are strikingly beautiful and rare, often seen as symbols of mystery and elegance in wildlife. Pink fairy armadillo. Next, we meet the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species in the world. This tiny creature, native to the dry grasslands of Argentina, measures only about 3.9 inches long, and weighs just 4.2 ounces. Its most distinctive feature is its pink-colored shell. Despite its small size, the pink fairy armadillo is an important part of its ecosystem, helping to aerate the soil as it digs. Goblin shark. Next, we encounter one of the ocean's strangest creatures, the goblin shark. This elusive shark lives in the depths of the ocean, often at more than 3,280 feet below the surface. Its peculiar appearance comes from its unique jaw, which extends forward when the shark strikes its prey. Unlike most animals, this jaw is connected to the skull only by cartilage, making it an extraordinary species in the deep-sea world. Belgian blue cattle. Next, we turn to the Belgian blue, a rare breed of cattle from Belgium, recognized for its incredible muscle development. This muscular physique, the result of selective breeding, gives Belgian blue cattle their impressive, bulky appearance. While they're primarily used for beef production, their distinctive look and relative scarcity make them a fascinating breed to study. Parrotfish. Tropical reefs are home to the beautiful parrotfish, a group of 83 species known for their vibrant colors. Parrotfish have a unique beak-like jaw that allows them to scrape algae off coral reefs. Not only are they striking in appearance, but they also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of coral ecosystems by preventing algae overgrowth. Flying lemurs. Let's start with the flying lemurs, which can weigh between 2.2 to 4.4 pounds and reach up to 16.5 inches in length. Despite their name, these lemurs don't truly fly, but glide across distances of more than 328 feet. With the help of an extensor muscle resembling wings, they spend their entire lives gliding between the treetops, a skill that helps them thrive in their tropical forest habitats. Chinese white dolphin. Next, we have the Chinese white dolphin, also known as the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, Sousa chinensis, which inhabits the South China Sea, particularly around the Pearl River Delta. Its distinctive feature is a hump formed by a flexible ridge of connective tissue running along its back. This dolphin's unique appearance and friendly nature have made it an important symbol for marine conservation in the region. Glass frog. One of the most unique creatures in the world is the glass frog, found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. This small amphibian has transparent skin that allows its internal organs to be visible, helping it camouflage from predators. The color patterns of its organs create a natural disguise, making the glass frog a master of concealment. Japanese giant crab. The Japanese giant crab is the largest arthropod in existence, with an incredible leg span of up to 12.4 feet and a weight of 41.8 pounds. Found in the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean, particularly around the Sea of Japan, these massive crabs are often the subject of commercial fishing, although their population remains stable due to the depths at which they live. Shoebill stork. In the swamps of Sudan, Uganda, and Tanzania lives the impressive shoebill stork. Known for its large, shoe-shaped beak, this bird can grow up to 4.9 feet tall and primarily feeds on fish, frogs, turtles, and snakes. With its prehistoric appearance and powerful bill, the shoebill is a formidable predator in the wetlands it inhabits. Haitian solenodon. The Haitian solenodon, also known as the agouti, is one of the few mammals capable of injecting venom into its prey. Found only on the island of Hispaniola, which includes Haiti and the Dominican Republic, this small mammal is critically endangered. Its venomous bite and nocturnal behavior make it a mysterious and elusive creature in its native habitat. Elephant fish. In the deep, muddy waters of the Atlantic Ocean lives the elephant fish, which can grow up to 4.6 feet in length. Found at depths ranging from 1,640 to 13,120 feet, these fish are adapted to life in the deep sea. Although they are rarely seen due to their preference for the ocean floor, elephant fish are fascinating due to their elongated, trunk-like snouts. Fire-bellied toad. The fire-bellied toad of Panama is a small amphibian that lives on Cerro Santiago, a volcanic cone at altitudes above 4,921 feet. Known for the bright, fiery coloration on its belly, this toad uses its appearance to warn potential predators of its toxicity. With only 70 individuals remaining, conservation efforts are crucial to preventing its extinction. Leucistic peacock. The silver harlequin peacock is a rare genetic variation caused by leucism, which results in a lack of pigmentation in the feathers, giving the bird its striking white plumage. These magnificent birds, native to South Asia, are known for their breathtaking displays during mating rituals. Their beauty and rarity have made them highly sought after in captivity. Golden langur. The golden langur is one of the most visually distinctive primates, with bright golden fur that is especially intense during the summer. Found in the forests of India and Bhutan, these rare monkeys live in small family groups high in the treetops. Sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation, and conservation efforts are critical to their survival. Tube-nosed fruit bat. In 2009, during 2 scientific expeditions in Papua New Guinea, researchers documented a new species of tube-nosed fruit bat, Nyctomania albivenor. With its peculiar appearance and vital role in spreading seeds across tropical rainforests, this pink katydid. The pink katydid is a rare genetic variation of the common katydid, known for its bright pink coloration. Resembling moths, pink katydids belong to the Tettigonidae family and are typically found in leafy environments where their usual green counterparts blend in. Their striking appearance, caused by a rare mutation, makes them a special sight. In nature, magnificent frigate bird. The magnificent frigate bird can be spotted along the Brazilian coast, from Fernando de Noronha to Santa Catarina. Known for their unique, inflatable throat pouches called Gowler sacs, male frigate birds puff up these red sacs during the breeding season to attract females. Their impressive display, along with their ability to soar high above the ocean for long periods, makes them an unforgettable species of seabird. African wild dog. The African wild dog, also known as the painted wolf, is known for its beautifully irregular coat and large, bat-like ears. These social animals live in packs and are highly effective hunters. However, habitat loss and human conflict have dramatically reduced their numbers, making them one of Africa's most endangered species. Ayam Cemeni chicken. The Ayam Cemeni is a rare breed of chicken native to Indonesia, known for its completely black appearance, including feathers, skin, meat, and bones. This striking color is caused by fibromelanosis, a genetic condition that produces excess black pigment. The Ayam Cemeni is considered mystical in Indonesian culture and is often associated with traditional rituals. From the colorful golden langur to the mystical Ayam Cemeni chicken, these species showcase the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Many of these animals are endangered, and their survival depends on ongoing conservation efforts. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and share to help raise awareness about these amazing creatures.